Parents, Instagram has a brand new map feature they stole from Snapchat, and it lets your teen share their location with their followers. This new feature is called Instagram Map, and it is designed to let users share their last active location with friends. This feature raises real privacy concerns, especially for teens. The good news is this feature is off by default. Teens have to actively opt in before anything is shared, even if they update their app. Parents, if you're already using the parental supervision feature through Instagram, teens cannot turn this new map feature on by themselves. And if they try, you'll get a notification. This gives you a heads up and a chance to have a conversation about why location sharing might not be a great idea. Here's what we recommend parents do to protect their kids. Make sure you're using the parental supervision feature on Instagram and understand that if you're not, your child can turn on the map feature and share their location. Since we know that sometimes kids don't know all of their online friends personally, they could be inadvertently sharing their school or home location with strangers who may be dangerous. And because many teens falsify their age in the app when they're signing up, they may not have any of Instagram's teen protections in place. Even with Instagram's built-in protections, we recommend parents go one step further. On both iPhones and Android phone settings, parents can limit what apps have access to their child's location and stop new apps from sharing without your permission. Parents, we know the constant app changes and updates can feel overwhelming, but our goal is to give you the tools and confidence to guide your child online. A little awareness and open conversation can go a long way. For step-by-step guides and more tips like this, head on over to smartsocial.com.